And I'm back at Brasov. So, I'm going to have a little explore around the station in a bit more depth. Join me if you wish. No, we'll go down to the end of the platform.
Yeah.
And we'll cross over the Barrow crossing.
Why?
Because it's fun.
Where to?
To that platform over there.
Is it on the way out?
Yes. Here's that graffiti train. I've never seen a train with so much graffiti on it. Look at it. Sorry?
The fact you're recording it, you're going to stick it on YouTube for everyone to see. People who've done it will take great delight about seeing their train on YouTube. They can.
But they won't see it, because it won't, I won't put graffitied Romanian train, will I? So this is the Bucharest Nord train. So I think this is the train we'll be catching tomorrow to complete our journey to Bucharest. And we're catching the train at 2:15. Doors open again. You know, some of our stations have a token steam engine on a plinth outside the station. One that springs to mind is Stratford in East London. They had the same thing on, I've noticed, on when we've been on this line, so I'll just show you it. Yes, it's not one of your humble 060s, it's one hell of a beast. So they have Barrow crossings here which you can walk across to get from one side of the platform to the other, because there's no lifts or anything. Romania's not very all-inclusive yet. There's you know, if you're in a wheelchair you don't have much chance, to be quite honest. So this is the train that does the shunting, in the one of the trains that does the shunting. Hello. They do have obviously sleek units like this one. All graffitied up. And there's a smart yellow and blue one. Has the looks of a HST about it. It's got advertising all the way down the side. Gusto Lays, Cresti Vara. I think they're crisps. And this is the other end of it. The local train. I don't think it's departing, I just think it's moving up this platform a bit. It's got no passengers on it. This again is sidings because there's another train behind it. So maybe they... There goes a local train. I don't think it's actually in service. I think it's just moving out the way because there was another train behind it. So I expect it's just going to park up in the siding somewhere. I am actually standing right at the end of the platform on the Barrow crossing. So this has come from Rupa. That's a stopper. So over there on the left we've got the goods area or the freight area. I haven't seen any freight trains today, but unfortunate. Hopefully there'll be one comes along before my train arrives. And people just cross the railways wherever they like. Nobody blink an eyelid if I walked across there on the right hand side. It's just what everybody does. They just appear from nowhere. One we saw yesterday, all the graffiti. Look at the people at the back, sitting out the back of the track, on the back of the train.